What is the mission? To conquer the mountains. To submerge deep in the ocean. This to be all-inclusive is to cast aside all shackles. Xiaolong is committed to a sustainable future and opens a new era of environmental protection. Innovation is our belief. Quality is our hallmark. We deeply understand every breakthrough is all a tribute to the past, commitment to the future. Using high-quality, green, and efficient products and services, we promote and witness the growth of the industry. Digital Empowerment Information Service is the constant manufacturing concept of CL. The company relies on the ERP Industrial Internet Information System. From customer orders to intelligent production allocation, we have implemented full process code scanning management. And realize full process coverage of digital production management model. We integrate multiple industries with forward-thinking strategic thinking, excellent equipment stability, comprehensive equipment lifecycle management, high product indicators, intelligent collaborative development, making CL and its produced non-woven fabric production lines renowned globally. With the system as the cornerstone, accurately control the unknown. One-stop customized solutions are the perfect answer to meet needs, a reflection of needs, and a starting point for innovation. We strive to pursue innovation and achieve win-win cooperation. Mountains, sea, countryside, city, born and raised here. We use the power of green and low-carbon technology. We promote the continuous development